Okay, I'm gonna show you how to use your phone to open up your garage, how to tell Siri to open up your garage. It's a simple app you got to download, but I'm gonna show you, check this out. Look, your phone could be locked or your phone could be unlocked. So it's locked right now. So you ready? Hey Siri. Open garage.
Okay, done. Your garage door rock dove lane is opening.
As you can see, my garage is open. So now, only thing I have to do is tell Siri to close garage. Check this out. Hey Siri. Close garage.
Okay, done. Your garage door rock dove lane is closing.
And you see the light is beeping. It's warning people, hey, the garage is closing. And that's done. That's through MyQ app. I've been trying to figure this out for the longest. And if you could look at MyQ app, as you can see, MyQ app let me know my garage door has been closed. So it has a history. So if I go to MyQ app and I look at my history, as you can see, it tells everything. It's probably not too clear right now. It's raining, so I'm just trying to get this video done. So if you got a MyQ in your garage, and I'm gonna put a link in the description or a drop down or on the side, it's gonna show you the MyQ that I put on my garage to use this particular app right here. It's called MyQ app. And you can just open and close your garage with this app, or you could just tell Siri. So it's starting to rain hard, so I'm gonna have to tell Siri to open the garage. Hey Siri. Open garage.
Okay, done. Your garage door rock dove lane is opening.
And I'm gonna show you the step-by-step procedure on how to do this. It's really easy. You may have to pause the video a little bit to get it so you can go by the steps, because it's going fairly quickly. But let me get out of this rain. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna walk you through this. First, you want to open up your app, and you want to find LiveKey, and then you want to open that up, and then you want to go to create new account. You enter your information, and once you enter your information, you want to hit create account, and what it's going to do is going to send you an email to verify your email. And once you verify your email, the app will be up and running. So now we're going to go to verify our email. So I'm going to close this down, and I'm going to go to my email. And you see I got an AOL, so I'm old school. So you'll find a LiveKey right there, email, and you open it up, and then you verify it. You click this verify button right here. Once you click the verify, it's going to give you a little information. You can read through this. It's going to go through step 1, step 2, step 3, and on. But I'm going to go ahead and go back to my app, and I'm going to log in with my credentials. So my email address, password, and I'm gonna hit login. Once I log in, it's gonna start syncing with the LiveKey. Hit allow, then go up there to those 3 lines and click the drop down and hit integrations. And then once you do that, you find which one you're gonna do. I'm gonna do MyQ openers. That's for my garage door. So you click that, and it'll add it to this app. And once you click it, it's going to ask for your credentials for your MyQ. Make sure you know your email address and passcode, and hit submit. Once you hit submit, the next step is going to show there right at the top. It says MyQ. It found 1 item. So if I had 3 or 4, it'll find 3 or 4. So then I click up there and hit sync and fix. Once I hit that sync and fix, it's going to sync everything together. And then hit OK. And once you hit OK, you just swap down and move that out the way, and you see right there where you see your home queue. So now what we want to do is go to our shortcuts. So you can just slide down with your Apple phone, start typing shortcuts, and you'll see up there at the top left, it's an app. And if you don't have this app, you can download it. It's got all your shortcuts. So you can hit the add action. Once you hit add action, slide over to the right till you see apps and find LiveKey right here. Once you find the LiveKey, you click on the garage door and gates. That's what I'm doing, the garage door. Once you do that, you just name it, hit the item, you hit choose. Once you choose the item, you see it pops up, the garage door at Rock Dove Lane. You click on that, and then your action you want to do is either open or close. So I'm gonna call this one open because I've already did the close. So I'm gonna hit open, and then I'm gonna go up here and hit done. Then those 3 dots right here, this is the most important thing. Click on those 3 dots, and you go up here where it says open garage. You want to hit rename. Don't forget this step or it won't work. You rename it exactly what you're gonna say to Siri. So you see I'm gonna have the open garage. You can just say garage, or you can just say whatever you want, and then you hit done. But you have to type it exactly what you want Siri to hear and hit done up there. And I'm gonna do the other one also. I'm gonna click on those 3 dots. You see already this is for my clothes, so I'm gonna go up there at the top. I had already did that, so I'm just showing you how to do it again. Hit rename, and I'm gonna just erase the garage. Just show you need to just type close garage, or you could say garage close. But whatever you put up there, that's what Siri is gonna pick up. And hit done. And that's all to it. And it worked perfectly fine for me. Hey Siri. Close garage.
One moment. Okay, done. Your garage door Rock Dove Lane is closing.
All right, that's how easy it is. And like I said, I'm gonna put some links in the description, also in the drop down, if you want to purchase any of this stuff that I'm using in my garage. Or you can go to my website or visit my Amazon store and get all the things that I've purchased. And if you go through my link, I get a small percentage of what you purchase. And whenever I purchase things on Amazon, I go through other people's links also, so that they can get a little fee, because it doesn't change the price. The only people that are paying for this commission is Amazon, and Amazon got plenty of money. All right, again, thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.